Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox VEX 123 classroom bundle from VEX Robotics. Before we unbox, I'm going to jump into their website. I'm going to show you the product I purchased. I purchased VEX 123 classroom bundle. Let me go back. So this is for 12, 24, 36 students kit. And if you want to buy only for one person individual, you can buy 119 bucks. And today I'm going to unbox the classroom bundle that I'm going to show you. I purchased the small classroom, so it's $8.99. So a small classroom is for 12 students, and we have 6 robots, and we have 6 coders. It's the coder, and 50 pack of coder, 50 pack of coder cards, 7 quantities, and 4 tiles, 8 walls, carrying case for everything, charging station, coder storage cases, coder card storage boxes, robot art rings, and coding posters. So you will get everything if you choose the classroom bundle. So you have 3 options. This is the 24 students, and you have 36 students. And I went with the small classroom. If you want to buy individual, you can buy individual kit, and they have red, blue, green, and you will get 123 robot, 1 VEX code, 1 USB cable, and 50 pack of coder card in English, or you can get Spanish, French. You can have another few options. Okay, enough talk. Let's jump into the our VEX 123 package. I'm going to unbox now. Okay, so the box came with like this. They have the packing list and the FedEx details. So I'm going to show you the box. So they have the VEX 123 in top corner, and they have their battery sign. There were their details, their shipping details, and everything, all their company information here. So this says 21, and the package came without any damage. Only I see a small, I think this is when they're handling the shipment. So I'm going to open this box. Okay, box is open. I can see X123 back. Okay, so I have one bag. The box is empty. I'm going to remove the box from here. Okay, now the bag. Nice organizer, so you can travel with everything. Okay, so let's go this section first. I'm going to open this. Okay, so we have the battery pack, and also some kind of, oh, this is screw. So this is true, so you can open the coder and the battery pack. So I'm going to put it over here. This is the USB, actually the power adapter. And this is 6 rings, I believe. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 rings. Let me check the. So robot art rings. So these are robot art rings. Okay. Okay, so I think I got the quarter. Quarter card storage box. I'm going to open this. I'm going to see. Okay, so this is the quarter cards 50 pack. This is the quarter card 50 pack. So I'm going to put it here. Okay, that's all in here. So I'm going to have some room so we can take everything, and I'm going to put this fill everything over here so we don't get confused. Okay, let's turn this, and I'm going to get the VEX. I think this is the board, parts of the board. So I'm going to put it over here. This one out. Everything for the storage, the box. Okay. The next, everything in one. So you have everything inside. Okay, I'm going to get this box. I'm going to open and see what's inside. So you have VEX Robotics. Okay, so yeah, I have the manual for the robot, and we can see the 6 robots in here. So I'm going to see one by one if it's any damage or anything. So what you can do is you can plug this and you can charge everything at the same time. So we can put the charger. Okay, let me see how we can organize this. How do you put this? Okay, I need to put it like this, and this cable is very small. I mean, it's not enough because I cannot put the robot the other side. So in this side, I cannot put the robot this side so I can charge. So the robot, oh, what I think we can do that. We'll charge. I'm going to a little bit difficult to put it correctly. You can see the cable. Okay, I'm going to put this one. So So what you can do here is I'm going to change the view. Let's see. A little bit difficult. Difficult how to organize these because the cable is not long enough to put the charger. Okay, this one is enough. I'm going to put this one. Okay, so let me see how if I put it here. Yeah, the only thing is that the first one is a little bit difficult. Okay, everything looks perfect now. So we have all the 6 robots. So we have 2 greens, 2 blue and 2 red. So only the first one, the cable is not enough to put to the charger, so that's why I have some difficulties. Now looks good. And I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to put the small detail. Okay, next, so some cupboards. I'm going to remove the cardboard. Okay, this one's a little bit heavy, but this is the corders. Okay, so this is the same corders. There are some instruction, and I'm going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we have 6 quarters. So organize. Next, we have some instruction, and we have the poster. So we have big poster. We can show to kids, or we can hang on a wall so they know the graphical instruction. Okay, so that's all in the box, and the next video I'm going to show you how to unbox and fix this stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.